PPE. It comes in all shapes and sizes, and it should be the most important thing you think of when you start work every day. You'll want to protect your face and your eyes. When using safety glasses, make sure they have side shields and that they're Z87 rated. They'll protect you from foreign objects in the air and during activities such as welding, cutting, grinding, using chemicals, concrete. Additionally, when you're using lasers doing layout work, you'll want to have tinted glasses to protect your eyes. It wasn't long ago that construction workers simply wouldn't wear gloves. Nowadays, there are so many selections, and people are more likely to choose to wear gloves to protect their hands. You want to find the right glove for the right job. Think about what you're doing. Maybe you need heavy-duty rubber gloves. Maybe you're going to need leather gloves if you're torch cutting or welding. And if you're dealing with any type of electrical work, you should be wearing insulated gloves. It's always important that whatever type of glove you're wearing, that it fits snugly. For foot protection, we really need to have quality, durable boots when we're working in the construction industry. They should cover the ankle. You want to keep them laced tight, and sometimes you may select puncture-resistant soles if you're working around a lot of debris that could puncture through the sole. Steel toe boots will be very helpful for protecting your toes when you're working around heavy equipment or falling objects. Hard hats are a staple of the construction industry. It's important that you inspect not only the shell, but also the grip and the suspension. It should rest on the center of your head and be adjusted to fit securely. Wearing baseball hats under the hard hat is really not recommended. That will affect the way the hard hat stays on your head, and a good breeze will blow that thing right off. You'll want to look for dents, cracks, deterioration, and always replace any hard hat that is damaged. Ear protection comes in the form of earplugs that fit inside the cavity of your ear, and then ear muffs that go over your ear. And they should always be used whenever there's a high noise area. Again, inspect your gear. It's your body on the line. Keep your hands clean when you're using foam inserts. Always inspect your gear. If there are any defects, swap it out. Other things to consider when you're working over water, that you have a personal flotation or a rescue device handy. When it comes to fall protection, it is imperative that you inspect your lanyard and your harness, and that you're always certain that what you're tying off to is secure. Fall protection is essential in the construction industry. Very often you're working around areas where that is the only way to get to what you have to do for the day. Seatbelts are good for protecting you from being ejected out of a piece of equipment. It keeps you in your seat when you're going over rough terrain. Lastly, when you're using a chainsaw, in addition to hard hat, gloves, glasses, and ear protection, get yourself a pair of chaps. They'll protect your legs in case of an accident. We get one body. It's our most important tool. Protect it.